What if you had a partner who was perfect for you in every way, except for one thing? They're too stubborn to accept any attempts to change for the better. Would you give up on them or try to make it work? That's my dilemma with sorghum. Sorghum, or the king of millet, is the 5th most important cereal crop in the world. It's grown in over 30 countries and feeds 500 million people. But it's not just a food crop. It's also a powerhouse of bioenergy that can be grown in harsh conditions and produce more biomass than any other crop. Tapping into this abundant biomass and converting that into renewable biofuels, sorghum could be the green crop of the future. That solves our energy crisis. The catch: it's not easy to convert sorghum biomass into biofuels. Our solution? Genetic transformation, a process where we introduce new genes into the plant to improve its traits. For example, we can introduce genes that would increase the digestibility of sorghum biomass. Genetically modified sorghum. Sounds easy, right? Nothing is ever easy. You see, sorghum is notorious for being one of the most difficult crops to genetically transform. Growing sorghum in culture plates in the laboratory is immensely labor-intensive and requires the perfect combination of ideal plant tissue, light, nutrient, hormone. Oh, I could go on, but basically what I am saying is that sorghum is the bad boy of crop genetic transformation. It's hard to tame, unpredictable, and always a challenge. My goal is to improve sorghum transformation so we can maximize its potential as a bioenergy crop. To do this, I decided to borrow some wisdom from its more successful relative, wheat. Wheat has genes that make it easier to regenerate in the laboratory, so I thought maybe they could finally tame this bad boy. I introduced these genes using a soil bacterium through a natural infection process, and sorghum must be really liking these genes because I have seen an increase in the transformation efficiency of the crop. This new method opens possibilities for sorghum improvement. Imagine a genetically modified super sorghum, so efficient at providing us biofuels, it reduces our dependence on fossil fuels and mitigates climate change. I see sorghum as the bioenergy crop that could save our overheating planet. But with the challenges I face with genetic transformation, I could also see how this crop is so easy to love and just as easy to hate. So if you ask me about my current relationship with sorghum, yes, it's complicated, but don't worry, we are making it work.